Show you how to set up the PSVR 2. Okay, right out of the box, you get your user manual here. You get two sense controllers here. You also have your headset, and of course you have this cable that's hooked up to it, and we'll have to connect the other end to the PS5. You also have another charging cable, USB-A to USB-C, to charge and pair your controllers. You also have earbuds here that you can connect right onto the headset, or you can use your own. So the first thing is make sure your PS5 is turned on and you are on the home screen here. So the first thing we're going to do is connect the headset. Okay, so you have that wire here. You want to go ahead and put that directly into your PS5 as a USB-C. So I'm going to go with the bottom one here. I'm going to go ahead and pop that in there. Now you can see by the red indicator, it means that it's off. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Let's press the power button right there. Okay, now we should get something here on our screen the first time you turn this on. Yep, there we go. Set up your PlayStation VR 2. Now before we get started, you want to go ahead and attach your earbuds. So with the headset, just turn it upside down, and then you have this right here. You can go ahead and plug that right into the hole, like right here, just like that. And the other end, you just want to pop it in there for stability. Pop that in there, just like that. And there you go. So go ahead and grab you a regular sense controller, and then what we want to do is select get started. Okay, select on get started right there. Connect your headphones. We already did that, so we're going to go with done here. Next, we're going to go ahead and connect these controllers. Okay, so you want to go ahead and grab the right one first. Okay, so we have to pair the right one first. So here's the right one here. So let me grab this. And now let me grab the charging cables, the USB-A to USB-C. So the USB-A, I'm going to plug right into my PS5. Then on the right hand here, we're just going to go ahead and plug this in. It's going to be right here. We're going to plug that in. And after you plug it in, now we're going to pair it. We're just going to press on that PS button right there. Okay, the right controller is now paired. Now we're going to do the left controller, okay? We're just going to go ahead and unplug this. Grab the left controller here. And we're going to plug this one in now. And then once you plug it in, press the PS button. Oh, there we go. Both of your PSVR 2 controllers are paired. Okay, so now I'm going to make sure both of the controllers are disconnected, okay? So I'm going to disconnect them both. I'm going to put them right here. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab the headset, and you got to press the function button. Function button is on the bottom here, next to the power button. Is this one right? Oh, sorry, it's not this one. It's this one here. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and press that right there. All right. You get this message here. Go ahead and read through that and okay that. Let's go ahead and just click on this, the X. And now you can go ahead and read through this. You need to clear space and so on. And then it's already highlighted, or we're going to go ahead and okay it for the X right here. Just the brightness in your room. Let's click on OK. Check the brightness in your room. Let's go ahead and click on the X to start. Brightness check is complete. Okay, now for the rest of the setup, you need to have this on. Okay, so you can go ahead and plug this on and then follow the directions for the eye tracking and so on, okay? And when you put these on, you have this button here. You can go ahead and cock that back. Okay, once you put it on, you go ahead and tighten this, okay? You also have this button here. You can press forward and back, as you can see. And then once you have it on here, you can tighten this up like this. And then once you want to take it off, just press the button and bam, okay? Anyway, from here, put these on, finish the setup. Good luck, guys.